How to pack for the North Carolina Natural Hair State Board exam. Here is a video of the items, and we're going to go through each section one by one.
All right, we're going to get our universal bag. You're going to make sure you have the word universal supplies written all over it. You're going to make sure you go ahead and open it up and place 2 brown paper bags in it. One says trash. One says soil. Next, you're going to go ahead and get your barbicide wipes and place them in your bag. Then you're going to place your sanitizer in your bag. You want to go ahead and make sure your towels are in your bag. Then you want to get your blood exposure, your paper towel, and your extra set of gloves. Place all of those in the bag. Your to be disinfected bag box should be next to your bag, ready to go in your black bag.
The items that we are seeing here are the items that you will need for your client 1.
All right, now we're going to pick up client 1 bag. You're going to write client 1 on your bag. You're going to open it up. You're going to make sure you have your towels. You're going to need a cape. You're going to need some clips, combs, brush, some shears. Then you're going to need 3 bags. 1 for your visible extension to visible braid. Inside that bag, you want to add some rubber bands. Your next bag, you want to need a bag for your invisible cornrow braid. You're just going to have rubber bands and bobby pins in it. Your last bag, you're going to have for your individual braid, which is your box braid. You want to have your hair and some rubber bands and bobby pins. You want to close that.
These are the items you will need for your client 2 bag.
Next bag is our client 2 bag. You will write client 2 on the bag. And inside our client 2 bag, you want to make sure you have your towels, your cape, some clips, some combs, a brush, and your shears. Also in client 2 bag, you want to have 2 small bags. You're going to label one bag oil application. The other bag is going to have your whip and your needle and thread. Also in that bag, you're going to have some extra gloves. And that is your client 2 bag.
We will now prepare for flat iron.
All right, our next bag will be our flat iron and supplies. You will make sure you have everything written on that bag. And inside this bag, you will have your flat irons, but also your flat iron cord will have a bag on it. You will place it in the bag. You will have your carbon comb. And your test strips goes in your bag. And on that plastic bag with your test strips, you'll make sure you write test strips. Put it on in, close it, and that's it for your flat iron and supplies.
Lastly, mannequin packing.
In the last bag we will pack will be our mannequin and stand bag. Your mannequin must be clean. No writing on her. Her hair must be shampooed and thoroughly straight. Once your mannequin is clean, you'll place her in your bag, right along with your stand, and she's good to go. And that is all 5 bags.
A few things to remember. While you're in school, make sure that you have a state board bag and you have a regular class bag. This will help you to avoid removing anything out of your state board bag that you may need. All of the items that we have went over today are vital and can cause you to lose points if you do not have the proper items the day of your state board exam. We wish you guys the best of luck. Of course, if you have any questions or looking for a school, don't hesitate to come down to Millennium Trade Academy.